to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world. What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic. We back in here with another video, and today I want to show you guys 2 of my favorite go-to Reason bass instruments that I usually will go to if I am creating a hip-hop track or R&B track. These 2 basses, if you don't have any VSTs, if you only are using stock Reason instruments, these 2 bass instruments will be like the glue to your production if you add these into your production workflow or use them for hip-hop or R&B tracks. Like I've probably been using these basses most of my recent production. Probably had these 2 basses in it way before VSTs hit, Reason. So I kind of I was forced to find basses that would work, that would sound great for hip hop, because we didn't have VSTs at one time, of course. So I'm in Reason 11 beta. Don't tell anybody. I have not upgraded yet, but I'm in Reason 11 still. One of them you guys are already familiar with, of course. That bass line, that bass would be the hyper bottom, and I'm gonna play that hyper bottom bass in here for this track, and let's kick it off like this. Why is it starting like that? Now the thing with the hyper bottom bass is it's pressure sensitive on the keys. So the lighter you tap it, the more you hit the bottom end of the bass. It has a little more growl on it the harder you hit the keypads. So let's see. See how that has that growl? Now if I hit it lightly, some of you guys probably didn't know that. It's a little quick tip really quickly. So that's hitting it hard. You hear that sub a lot more when you lightly tap the key. So, and the next bass is my favorite. You guys heard me say this before. If you watch some of the other videos, you've heard me say the Amazona bass is one of my favorite basses in Reason, and I call it the amazing bass. You've heard me say that before, I'm sure. So Amazona bass, and I added that in this track. Let's check that out. So if you're looking for basses that you can be some quick go-to basses for you, check out the Amazona bass and the hyper bottom bass. Use them for your production. They are definitely, to me, very incredible. The Amazona bass, for one, definitely has a lot of bottom to it. You probably have to search it in your instruments, because for some reason it doesn't show up like it used to show up in my instrument panel. So I have to search for it because I don't see it in my instruments for the subtractor. And again, that one is found, you can find it in the subtractor, but it's popping up in the combinator now. So the Amazona bass, hyper bottom bass, add them joints to your arsenal. if you don't have go-to bases, or if you're looking for bases, Subtractor. It's been holding me down for a lot of years. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video. It's your man Bigg Vic. Always hustle, never stop going. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. Thumbs up this video if you dig it. And until the next time, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.